Here at Inductive Automation, we're all about celebrating our community of users and recognizing the work of thought leaders who are constantly expanding the limits of what Ignition can do in every industry. One of the ways we do this is with our Discover Gallery, which is a showcase of the incredible real-world projects that are being built with Ignition. Each selected submission will get a custom case study video made for their project, which we display at our annual community conference and promote on our website, and are eligible to win our prestigious Ignition Firebrand Award. The Firebrand Award is presented to honor industrial organizations and systems integrators who are solving industrial problems in extremely creative ways, inspiring a global community, and even showing us what's possible. And the level of submissions over the years has gotten better and better. We look forward to seeing you and your project at ICC. It's time to show us and the world what you're doing for your customers and your organizations with Ignition.